Today, welcome everybody to the late night show. And as it be like this now, they say biggerless. Welcome to everybody on top of the late night show. Yes. I know they asked you this thing before now. Not your name be late night show. So when I say late night show, don't they take this accolade. All right, on the wheels of steel, we get the baddest DJ in the land.
That's
the DJ with the muscle of every. DJ Izybeatz. All right, how that day take go? My name now Ogbolor as usual, you know, and we welcome everybody come to the show. Today, you're 10 free. As in on the West Africa P. You understand what I'm saying?
Shit.
You know, we get one very okay guest in the building. Fine pieces. Wickedly beautiful. Hey! Somebody was fine on one kind. You say, man, you don't fine, I wish. You understand? Sit down, place, you're too fine. What's wrong with you? Come on, here. Strong about you. You know, but one of our very beautiful actresses and at the same time humanitarian, they inside the building. Juliet Ibrahim. Oh, please applause. Now they worry you. Sorry, no, I don't know, but he tutoring my body. You know, he just tutoring my body. You see, most of the time we always get man for the show.
Don't be like you.
Today we start to go bring
of the real one.
Hey!
The real one, you know what's up with that?
No. The real one.
The real one.
Now the real one, no. Maybe those fake one with the carry combo. The real Juliet Ibrahim. All right, so they welcome everybody. At the same time, we'll get Lindsay in the building. One correct baby, one thing, so they do some time making sense. I'll get Chi Young, one that comedian, when they do Chinese things. All of them go there for the show today, and all of us go follow relate, go yarn, we go do entertainment things, and then the show begin. All right, so one more time, we could go Twitter at W Late Night Show. Go yarn every. Follow us, we go follow our back. Okay, so Izybeatz, carry us come out. By the time we come back, now the cocoa we go enter. So no go anywhere. We don't start. Come on to Tapel, one day go, Mr. Flavor. Come on to Tapel, one day go, Mr. Flavor.